Hello and welcome to this quick video to pick the winner of this thing here. This is the VX4 from XTAR. This is one of their latest chargers that can charge an awful lot of different batteries for at a time, as well as do some quite clever things too. Now, I have been looking at the XTAR things for quite a little while now, particularly their AA and AAA batteries. I found them incredibly useful and I'm investing in more as I go along here. It's actually hopefully going to save me a lot of money using alkalines. So this is a charger that has just been released and it's part of their 18th year celebration anniversary thing. And they have offered one of these to my viewers. Now, if you watched the video that I did only a couple of days ago, and I did warn you it was going to be quick and fast, this one, that there was an opportunity to win one of these. And lots of you got involved with that. So thank you to all who get involved with the kind of spirit of the channel. So let me jump on the computer and let's live draw who won this thing. So here is the video all ready to go. Loads of you did it and you did spot that the thing you had to do was include the word XTAR. So if I just show you, there it is at the end. I did actually say to everybody that this year was a free prize draw for this thing. They do tend to hide them at the end normally, but that's the thing I've just shown you in the instruction. This is the one. I'm not going to be this one here. They're going to send you another one. So we'll have to do confirmation and things. So put everything in the random comment picker. Get rid of the duplicates and replies. Keyword filter was XTAR. I asked you to put that in as well. So let's see how many there are. There are 136 comments. So you got a 1 in 136 chance. The winner is Frank. Frank, congratulations. You've just won this thing. So I will ask you to send me an email at lee@painless360.com. We'll just do a quick verification that you can prove the other person that owns that account, and then I'll pass the details on to XTAR and they can get this out to you. Again, there are a number of things going on, not just this giveaway, but they're doing other things in other places. I'll put a couple of links down below that you can go and check out if you weren't Frank or you're not Frank and you weren't lucky enough to win this time. But do stay tuned. Thank you for watching my content and thank you to XTAR for providing one of these for a giveaway for my viewers. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist and adding Painless 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.